This woman washed her face with this for 3 days, and look what happened. This woman washed her face with this for 3 days, and her friends just ask what their secret to look so young? Goodbye spots, wrinkles, freckles, and looks beautiful skin. The spots on the face are an annoying and unsightly problem. No one wants to have any mark on their face because it looks bad, and is due to a number of causes, such as excessive exposure to the sun. Cleaning it in the morning and at night helps to keep it properly moisturized. Washing it well prevents excess oils that cause irregularities in the face. Cosmetic products that are on the market are often expensive and are not always achieved, so you can avoid unnecessary expense and use some ingredients to be able to have your face clean properly. That is why natural ingredients are recommended that are completely safe and efficient, especially for skin problems. Baking soda and coconut oil. An excellent blend for your skin, for proper cleaning. In addition, it helps to treat skin and scars, acne, and redness, suppresses any dirt and excess fat from the skin. Now, why include baking soda? It contains immense health properties, since the sodium it contains is unlimited, and it can also be used as a deodorant and as a cleaning product for polishing and deep cleaning. It also serves to clean and whiten the teeth, treats acne and establishes regulation of pH in the skin. Coconut oil. The oil nourishes the skin and helps alleviate any problem in the largest organ of the body, that is the skin. Contains healing powers, moisturizing, and has antibacterial qualities. If combined with baking soda, it nourishes the skin and relieves skin problems due to its healing components. Coconut oil and baking soda will make you see almost immediate results. Ingredients: coconut oil and baking soda. 1-to-1 relationship.